You've most likely noticed the creative ways that Photoshop can bring your imagination to life. Whether you're improving the tone and erasing distracting ads from a photo, combining images of cityscapes and mountains to create new worlds, or assembling social graphics for your podcast, Photoshop can help. Regardless of your creative goals, if you want to learn how to use Photoshop, you've come to the right place. Don't worry about completing something perfect right away. The idea of producing something like the silhouette of a city and a moon might seem intimidating, but Photoshop is a powerful app, and we're here to guide the way. Although, if you really think about it, you aren't starting from scratch. Once you're in the process of creating, you'll realize how much you already know. Have you ever edited a photo on your phone? If the answer is yes, then you already have some essential photo editing skills, like cropping or removing objects. The same is true whether you're retouching an image, assembling a photo collage, or designing a poster. Check out this swipeable textured photo collage. What you've learned by using other apps often translates to what you'll do in Photoshop. First things first, let's show you around. In this hands-on tutorial, we'll take you directly into Photoshop and introduce you to the essential parts of the workspace. We'll look at panels, tools, and the settings you'll use most. And as a bonus, we'll even guide you through a bit of well-known Photoshop magic with one of our favorite animals, the giraffe, in a surreal paradise. Now it's your turn. Start this tutorial with step-by-step instructions where you'll practice getting to know the app.